If you're looking for the best water softener for small homes or condominiums, then this is the best choice for you. Made for small houses or condominiums with 1 to 3 bathrooms, Tier 1 Series 8000 whole salt-free water softener system is designed with ease of operation in mind. Featuring template-assisted crystallization, TAC, the system is highly efficient, requiring just 5 seconds of contact time. There is no brine tank, expensive replacement salt, backwash waste, or control valve to contend with. It works by simply just connecting the Tier 1 system to your water supply, and the softening system will do its work. This includes 8-inch by 44-inch resin tank with scale-inhibiting media blend, 10 inches by 4.5-inch sediment filter with housing and bracket, required flex connectors, and ball valve and nipples, ensuring installation is quick and easy. Now on to the technical side of this unit. Expect to get a water softener system that weighs 91.3 pounds. This Tier 1 Series 8000 whole salt-free water softener system reduces damage to your home's piping and appliances, which makes it perfect for small houses and condominiums. How do you like this video so far? If you're getting value in what we're showing you, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any updates. We create review videos of everything you can think of. Our aim is to provide you the best selection of the products you need and make your buying decisions easier.